Yan kagad ang tatanungin niya.
Kabisado niya na yung tatlo eh. Yung ano lang sa lower warning, saka yung kusrad na lang ang ano sa'yo. Sa ligtis, madali mo malaman yun.
Yes.
Oo. Madali
Tatlo
lang.
kami yung, tatlo kami yung, apat.
Tactis.
Tagtes.
Taktis, madali lang yun.
Ligtes.
Structure protection.
Ang
Saka mission
taktis,
control.
hindi mo na kailangan masyado ano yun.
Ah,
Tignan mo lang eh. Okay.
Hindi kasi
Tactis, may
ang tactis kasi magsisimula ka
Perform
siyempre.
mo.
Oh,
Puro hangin yan,
preno
puro
yan.
preno.
Puro preno.
Ano ba medyo sa tagtes? Wala no? Gano'n lang. If any of my brake does not work properly,
Oh.
it's major ba?
Yan major ba?
Minor ba ito?
Ano lang?
If any of my brake does not work properly,
Hindi,
major.
medyo walang minor yan.
Puro major ang ano yan.
Pero may nakasulat doon. May major ba sa tagtes?
Ang ano lang yata ang walang major dyan eh. Ang compressor ba, Governor? Yung merong minor dyan ah. Ay, yung ano dyan ah. Yung walang major defect ah.
Yung yata, yung overall yata, wala eh.
Governor? Kasi ano lang yan eh, di ba? Ano, kailangan naman ano yung hangin mo. Sige, banggitin mo yung ano, banggitin mo yung simulan sa ilog.
Low air warning system test. Block the wheels. Block the wheels. Release parking brake. Ensure pressure is at correct range. Fan down to minimum of 55 psi. When the buzzer and light comes on, stays on. If they don't, it's major defect. Diba? Fan down naman yan. I hear my buzzer and light comes on at 65 psi, which means my low air warning system is working properly. Pwede na ito, diba? Diba? That complete my
You bet.
low air warning system.
So, ano yung sunod?
Nauso namin yung Ubet eh. Pagka...
Compressor.
Compressor. I'm going to tie my compressor to build air from 85 to 100 psi.
Kabisado mo yan.
Hindi, malinis yung tubig niya to.
Ha?
May tubig ako dito.
Okay, okay. Anong problem? There's a lot of water here.
Must be in less than 2 minutes. If it's longer than 2 minutes, it's a minor defect. I will start my timer once my first gauge reaches 85 psi and I stop when my last gauge reaches at 100 psi. Start the truck. Pag ito naka-start na may truck nun,
Ha?
naka-start na may truck nun, di ba?
Ha?
Yung sa ano, pressure.
Naka-start?
Oo, naka-start na.
Hindi mo pinapatayan mula dun sa lower warning?
Meron yata sa lower
Hindi,
warning.
huwag mong patayin.
Eh, ba't nakasulat doon sa ano, pressure, start the truck.
Kung hindi naka-start, start mo. Pero kung naka-maintain kasi madalas, makasunod yung tatlo. Madalas pala ngayon.
Now I'm 85 psi, I will start my timer. My first day. Now I'm in 100. I stop. Now I'm 100 psi. Which means the pressure is prime. The pressure is properly working.
Okay. Governor operation.
Tama ba yun? Ano?
Oh.
Walang ano. Governor operation test. Go to maximum pressure between 120 to 145 psi. Where the governor put the pressure into a loading stage. I hear my aircraft exhaust, which means my governor put the pressure into a loading stage at 135 psi. If did not,
No, hindi mo na sabihin yun.
wala ba yun?
Now I will pan down.
Wala. Now I pan down to 100 psi. When the governor put the pressure into the loading stage. Pan down. My gauge is rising, which means the governor must put the pressure